Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's dive into how to become an Amazon affiliate and start earning commissions by promoting products you already love. First, head over to the Amazon Associates website. You can simply search Amazon Associates on Google or type affiliate program directly into your browser. This is where your journey to affiliate marketing success begins. On the home page, you'll see a prominent sign up button. Click it. This will kick off the application process and guide you through creating your Amazon Associates account. Now, you'll be prompted to either sign into your existing Amazon account or create a new one. If you already shop on Amazon, just use those credentials. If not, it's quick and easy to set up a new account. Next up, the account information section. Fill out all the required fields accurately. This includes your name, address, phone number, and who should receive payments, either yourself or a business. This is a crucial step. Adding your website or social media links. Provide a list of all websites, blogs, or social media profiles where you plan to promote Amazon products. Make sure they are active and compliant with Amazon's policies. In the profile section, you'll choose your preferred associate ID. This is a unique identifier that will be included in your affiliate links, so pick something relevant and easy to remember. Also, describe what your website or social media is about. Amazon wants to know how you drive traffic to your site and how you intend to monetize your platform. Answer these questions honestly and thoroughly. Don't worry, there are no right or wrong answers here. Just be transparent. Finally, review the Amazon Associates Program Operating Agreement. Read through it carefully, then check the box to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. Almost there, click the Finish button to submit your application. You'll then be given your unique associate ID and access to the Associates Central Dashboard. Congratulations, you've officially applied to the Amazon Affiliate Program. Amazon will review your application, and you'll typically receive a response within a few days. Now you're one step closer to earning passive income.